Here we are looking at a product from Zorloo Super series, the latest series of DAC amps. Zorloo doesn't make a lot of stuff. They only make DAC amps primarily, but they do have a couple of Bluetooth IEMs, I believe, or else they do not make a lot of products or variety of products. So this is their Zorloo ZuperDac Max, and this is one of the most powerful USB dongles, 5 VRMS to be precise. So this is, you guys can see, 3 VRMS 4.4, 3 VRMS and 5 VRMS. So this is fairly powerful, and this one does have a physical button for that boost. Very small to be precise, very small. I think around 2 inches max. So this is the only button, the boost button. There is no button, no other button here. There is one that shows power on and the type of music playing, I believe, or one for power and one for the boost mode or something like that, or else it is very small. You guys can see, very small. There is only one cable, C to C, and a USB C to A cable. Nothing else in the box. Do we get any documentation? There is a bit of documentation here on top. So product, USB to smartphone, and some general kind of stuff here. So this is a fairly basic kind of dongle. If you see the size and stuff, priced at around 170 US dollars. This is very small, but if you look at the figures, it is very powerful too. So it's not weak. Even in the single-ended, it does 2 BRMS, so it's not exactly weak or anything like that. It's one of the most powerful USB dongles you will find under $200. So kind of very powerful. ESS 9281 and USB audio. There's nothing exactly exciting about it except the power. So this is it. It will work with a lot of stuff. So not even 2 inches. You guys can see 46 mm is around 1.8 inch. So this is fairly small, very small and very powerful USB dongle DAC amp. So I'll see how this compares with Sharling UA5 and Link to Bell. So this is it. This is a very short, there isn't a lot of things to show, so this is a fairly small short kind of uh, unboxing video. Let's have a look at the cable, because we do not have anything to look at. So there's a decent looking cable. You guys can see there is good amount of protection on the cable, not exposed or anything like that. Doesn't look cheap or anything, so that's a good thing. Nothing exactly exciting or anything like that. So yeah, I'm not going to take a lot of time here. This one too looks slightly different than the generic ones. So yeah, they have provided good accessories with it. So this is it. This is the unboxing of ZuperDac Max. Zorloo ZuperDac Max. So thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.